Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy and I am a wife and a mother of 2 little boys, and there has been something that has been weighing on my heart heavily these last few weeks. I want to talk about something that maybe we don't often address, and that is allowing yourself to bloom at your own pace. Everywhere we look, we are being reminded of the new season upon us, the beauty of fall. Something that's been weighing on my heart as I have begun to prepare for the fall season is acknowledging and accepting the feelings that I have had regarding holding on to summer and feeling like I'm just not quite ready for all of the change that this season is going to bring. Feeling like I'm still lingering in the lessons and the changes that I have made and revelations that I've had over these last few months. I just felt like that was something I needed to share with you this week, is the permission to go at your own pace. As a mom, as a homemaker, as a wife, as whatever, giving yourself the permission to flow at your own rhythm, to bloom where you're planted, and to not be on anyone else's timeline but your own. We all have things in common with each other, whether it's the season of life that we're in or the roles that we have. But I think we need to remember our sovereignty, to remember that I am my own being with my own soul's mission and gifts and traumas and lessons to overcome. I'm living my own story, not anyone else's. My home is my own, my family is my own, and my marriage is my own. I think it's a beautiful thing that we all have the ability to spread joy and inspire one another into action. But I really have been reminded of these last few weeks as I've been feeling that all too familiar pull and pressure and urge to keep up with the Joneses is to remember that I get to go at my own pace, that no one is forcing me and forcing you to conform, to do anything that you do not want to do, that you're not ready to do. And I'm so thankful, as with everything, every uncomfortable feeling, every uncomfortable lesson that I face. And this has just reminded me of the mission that I have been on in my own personal journey this year. And that has been to get back in touch with my cyclical nature. For my overall well-being, I truly crave to thrive in my life, in my role as a wife and a mother and a homemaker. But the truth is that I have struggled, that I have battled with discontentment. I have battled with feelings of burnout and frustration and overwhelm. And I know that the core of that comes from me battling my innate nature, my innate rhythm, forcing myself to go against what it is that I truly know in my heart and my body truly knows that it craves. So I just wanted to challenge you this week and this season to come back to the question of what feels right for me. What is my heart really asking for right now? What is it that I'm really needing and that I'm really craving? And to give yourself the permission to do that. And when the time is right for you, and when you feel called and ready and inspired, you will take that next step and you will embrace the next chapter of your own journey. And it will be in the perfect timing for you. These last few weeks, I've been being more intentional about slowing down and doing the things that I truly crave, baking and tidying my home and enjoying our home, enjoying the fruits of our garden and our property, spending time with my kids and not forcing myself to get up and go and do the things that I truly don't have the energy for at this time. Allowing myself to go at my own pace makes me feel like me, allows me to feel my best. It allows me to be at my best with my kids. Having that patience and that grace with myself is what allows me to practice having that grace and patience with my kids and my husband and everyone in my life. If we don't give that to ourselves, how can we possibly expect to give it to others? There is so much beauty and so much wisdom in the here and now. And as always, I hope this video inspires you to remember that there is nothing wrong with going at your own pace. And there's nothing wrong with being who you truly are. You are beautiful, you are enough, you are worthy. If you like this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I make new videos on motherhood, homemaking, and intentional living every single week. And until next time, my loves, bye.